Hey all you naturophiles, we're here in Valley Heights and we're about to do the Valley Heights Firetrail loop. Anyways, we start on Tusculum Road and it's basically a road walk for the first section until you hit the start of the trail, and then you'll loop around the trail obviously and then come back to Tusculum Road. So let's go check it out together. As always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots, let's get going. So we cut off the main road and we head down this fire trail. And just like that, we're away from suburbia and down in the valley. How gorgeous is this? Definitely come check it out, people. So once you hit this gate, you're almost done. Congratulations to you for beating that hill that's just behind this camera. Let's keep going. So we head down that way and it kind of bends around, but be careful as there's not really a path and I imagine there'll be traffic. So that was the Valley Heights Firetrail loop walk. As you can see, it quickly descends into the valley after the road walk, and you're basically immersed in that valley for a majority of the walk before you hit the road again at the end of the loop. If you're someone that likes this kind of walks, come check it out. Might be a few surprises I did not include in this video for you to find, so you'll have to find out yourself. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of nature, and it'll take care of you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.